Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. Bindi Kurkure or ladies finger kurkure. This is kind of a chips and it is prepared for a party or for the evening snack. The preparation will take only 30 minutes of time. Let's see it. Take 15 ladies finger, slit in the middle and add it to the bowl. Now add 2 spoons of oil. If you have oil, then the masalas will stick to the lady's finger. That's why we are adding oil to this. Mix it very well. Mix the lady's finger with the oil for minimum 1 minute. Then only it will stick to the masala. Add quarter cup of gram flour. 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will give color to this. And then 1 spoon of coriander powder, and then 1 spoon of amchur powder, and then 1 spoon of salt. Now add 2 spoons of rice flour. Rice flour is meant for crispiness. If you are not adding rice flour, it won't be crispy. Now add 2 spoons of white sesame seeds. The crunchy taste of sesame seeds will give you good taste for the bindi kurkure. Mix all these together. Mix all these ingredients together. You have to do this for minimum 1 minute because it has to mix it very well. See here how it is mixed. This snack recipe can be used for party as a starter, or you can make it like a evening snack, or you can have it with any rice. Add half of quarter cup of water to this. After adding water, mix it very well. Don't add more water. Just half cup of quarter cup water is enough, or you can have 3 spoons of water. That would be enough. For binding purpose, just add half spoon of oil to this and mix it with hand. If you mix it with hand, the binding will be really good. That's why we have to mix it with hand. Now you could see everything got mixed well with the bindi. Marinate and rest it for minimum 10 minutes. In a dry pan, add 3/4 cup of oil to this and heat it very well. After heating, just add the lady's finger to this. Don't mix this immediately, just keep it for minimum 3 minutes and then cook it. After 3 minutes, you can turn it off and then cook the other side. It will take minimum of 7 to 8 minutes to get the crispiness, so wait till that time. After frying for 7 to 8 minutes, lady's finger is ready. Just we need to take it and put it in a tissue paper. Just transfer the fried lady's finger to a plate. We can take the remaining lady's finger and put it in the plate. I hope you could see the sound of the crispiness. Do the second batch of frying like this and it will take minimum 6 or 7 minutes for frying. After 7 minutes, take out the lady's finger and put it in the plate. We have fried everything now. Just put it in a plate. Now you could hear the sound of bindi kurkure. The sound should be like this, then only we will know it is crispy. Add some sesame seeds to this to have a crunchy taste. Bindi kurkure is really good for a party or for evening snack, or you can have it like a side dish with rasam rice or any type of rice. Just try this recipe and leave your comments. Thank you.